Hey friends, if you wish to install a OpenSSH server on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. It's not difficult. Here's what you have to do. So, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab. Now scroll down to optional features. Click on it. Click on view features and then you can search for SSH. You will find OpenSSH client and server. Click on this. Does it give you the option to remove? If yes, then it means that it's already installed on your system. So you do not need to install it again, and usually it is installed by default. I have removed it for the sake of this example. Now I'll show you how to install it. Click on view features. Click on see available features. Search for SSH. Check this box here. Click on add. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.